Hi guys, and welcome to Cooking at Fan's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make a delicious strawberry salad. Join me and Chef Matthew as we enjoy the fresh seasonal taste of strawberries. So we're just prepping right now for the salsa. So they're very fresh, so we're just taking the tops off. There we go. From there to there. You know, we're making the salsa. Maybe some people eat the tops. I don't know. Maybe you do. If you do, let me know in the links below. I personally don't. And if you do use the tops for something else, let me know. I would be more than happy to try it. So here we go. We have the strawberries. There it is. What's in our salsa? I'm telling you, this is really delicious. Like, if you've never tried this before, you should. So basically everything here is fresh. We have olive oil, we have a half of an onion, red onion. We have this delicious balsamic glaze from Medina, how do you say that? We have burrata cheese. If you've never had burrata, you should try it. It's like mozzarella with a nice soft center. That's how I describe it. We have strawberries fresh from the fields, and we have fresh mint from outside our doorstep. So we're gonna watch Chef Matthew. In this bowl, we have red onion, almond, fresh strawberries, fresh mint, and now we are going to add some olive oil. Yummy. A splash of salt. Pepper, mix it up. Look at that, quick, easy, delicious strawberry salad topped with butter. This literally took us not even 5 minutes to make. So it's summertime. Eat fresh, delicious, farm-picked products. I gotta tell you, this is like my new favorite thing, you know? We only added strawberries, red onion, almonds, a balsamic glaze, a pinch of salt and pepper, and some fresh mint from outside. And I'm telling you, this is so delicious. You should try it. There you have it, guys, a delicious strawberry salad. At first we called it a salsa, but it really is a delicious salad topped with burrata and balsamic vinaigrette. Yum. So don't forget to subscribe to Cooking at Fan's Kitchen and share and like this video and share this recipe with your friends. So before strawberry season is up, make yourself a delicious strawberry salad. Till next time, have a great day.